Well, when I got here to Brazil, you guys are so amazing and so passionate that you made one of my album tracks, Avalanche, go to #1 on iTunes over here in Brazil. So I'm going to perform that for you guys tonight. Especially for you, Brazil, I love you. This is Avalanche. I keep trying just to make it to the end of the day. You know I hate it. Been lying, my body's aching. What do you do when the hero needs saving? Honestly, I can't shake it, shake it, shake it.